Wait, hold on. It should work. Hold on, wait. It's not showing up. Hold on, wait. Is it working on the YouTube? I know it's working on the TikTok now. But I don't know about YouTube. It said it was just the iPhone. Wait. I don't know if I have to restart stream, so give me moments if someone's already on the TikTok. I'm just seeing what's up with the YouTube one. Oh yeah. I might restart it. Give me a moment. Hold on, wait.